standing out. What if I told you that in just a few minutes, you can build a professional resume for free using Canva? No design skills needed.
Hi everyone, in today's video, I'll show you how to easily create a stunning ATS-friendly resume on Canva that can get you noticed by recruiters without spending a single rupee or dollar. First, go to www.canva.com. If you don't have an account, create one for free. It takes less than a minute. Once logged in, search for resume in the search bar. Browse through hundreds of free resume templates. You can filter by style, modern, minimal, creative, or professional. Look for templates that say free in the corner. Now the fun part, customizing your resume. Click on text to edit. Use Canva's drag and drop tools to move sections, change fonts or colors to match your personal brand. But keep it professional. Once you're done, click on Share, Download, choose PDF, Print for best quality. And that's it. Your resume is ready. You can duplicate the design and tailor each version to specific job roles, marketing, sales, design, etc. This increases your chances of getting shortlisted.
Quick hacks. Add a custom LinkedIn URL.
Use action verbs in experience, managed, led, built. Keep the resume under 1 MB. Save both PDF and Word. Canva allows Word export via download plus conversion. Add a simple cover letter from Canva's templates. And that's how you build a powerful resume using Canva, all for free. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up. Comment below if you want a cover letter tutorial, and don't forget to subscribe for more career hacks and design tools.